Hello guys, this is Mr. Monicale TV. I'm going to show you how to make money online. Today we are going to talk this application called Pane app. So let me show you how to use Pane app. So once you click on it, it will open. You will find a menu like this. They have to ask you to take some survey. So those one you do them yourself. It's easy. So those are the information about the application. So this is the point I have in. So how this application work is that you install this panel app on your phone. You just leave it. All you just do is to come and be checking the point every day. You don't need to do anything. Sometimes they may send you survey to do survey of 10 seconds. You are through, and you'll be any point. As you can see, I have a 7,772 point. So click on redeems and you will see that I have get $5 Amazon gift card, $5 Visa gift card, $2 Amazon guarantee gift card, $1 Amazon guarantee gift card. So I can play Sweepstakes. Sweepstakes means that you play it like a lotto. You play it, and if you win, they will send you your prize. They will send you what you want. And you can play Xbox One, PS4, Amazon $100 gift card. You can play all those games. $50 Amazon gift card, $50 cash via paper, Sweepstakes. So that is how this application works. You can take some Sweepstakes, and I can advise you to take some Sweepstakes. You just have to wait until you have this Amazon guarantee gift card. So you have it and you redeem it. How you redeem it? Just click here and you enter your email and address. They will send the gift card to your address, and you will get your cash into your Amazon gift card account. So here, yeah. So that is how this application works. So this is Mr. Monicale TV. If you have any question, ask in the comments below. If you have any question, ask. And if you need help concerning Pane app, don't forget to ask. I have a full video about Pane app, so ask me, and you have full access of over everything how this application works. Like I show you, how you just do is to install Pane app, and just start using it, install it, um, register, and start using it. So that is all you just have to do. Make sure your phone have internet connection, and that is all. Have data, and you just have to keep on running every day, and your point will be increasing, and that is how your money will be growing every day. So as you can see, I have about $5. I didn't do anything. All I just did is to install this application on my phone, and it's making money for me while I'm sleeping. So that is how this application works. So that is it, guys. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you have a problem or you have a question about this video, don't forget to leave a comment, and I will send you the link over, or I'll send you the link all over to help you out and to make sure that you are successful in using this application and other application on how to make money online. Don't forget to check my YouTube channel to look at my videos I have made on how to make money online, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mr. Monicale TV, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Mr. Monicale TV, and don't forget to follow me on my Facebook page. Thank you very much for watching this video. This is Mr. Monicale TV. I'm kicking it out. Thank you very much, guys. Bye bye.